What's up, everybody? I hope you're having a great day. It's your boy Chops, and we are back with another video. This is going to be a short, quick video. It's just me putting a K&N filter into the Vulcan 900. Sorry for the bright ass light. We went over this last time. So, this is what I got for you today. Alright, so this is the K&N filter for the Vulcan 900 that we will be installing. That is the part number there. This is the instructions. Very straightforward instructions. So what I will do is show you them here, and you guys can pause this if you would like. Alright, so let's get started on this install. I'm going to set up the camera and we're going to get to it. Alright, so we'll be starting off by removing these 4 bolts. Stay tuned. Alright, so we just got them all loosened up. We're going to get them out now. If you guys watched the last video, you'll probably remember I fucking dropped this on its face. Luckily, it did not sustain any damage. It is still nice and clean looking. Except for my fingerprints all over it. Alright, so next, what you're going to do is you are going to be removing this bolt right here. It is a Phillips, so we'll go ahead and do that now. And just like that, the unit is out. We will have to get this all the way out, so we'll probably have to pry this open slightly to remove it. That is what we were looking like. Pretty gnarly looking there. There is a crankcase vent tube that runs right up here and goes into here. So if you take that off and find a bit of oil in there, don't worry. We'll just keep an eye on it. Make sure we're not getting too much or anything. But this thing was pretty dirty, getting pretty clogged up there, as you can see. Don't smell the best. Alright, so next what you're going to want to do, let's focus here, camera. There we go. Is you're going to remove these 4 studs and you're going to install them in your new filter. Same with that top screw there. So I'm just going to use these picks here and get these guys out. Alright, so once you got your studs in, you're going to line this all up, make it all look all pretty and shit. You're going to get your fucking screw here, your bolt, whatever the fuck you want to call it. It's definitely a bolt. We're going to start getting that nice and situated here. Want to make sure it's nice and lined up, because you want a nice good seal on this, guys. Alright. So once your studs are in, that bolt is back in, it's all lined up. We're going to throw this face back on. Now remember, we don't want to torque these down too tight, because we got rubber there now. Alrighty guys, so that was the install. You saw it there. I'll grab a clip here of me firing it up. Probably not going to make a difference whatsoever, but here you are. Alrighty guys, so that was it. As you can see, the booster plug is working great. Definitely notice a difference with that booster plug. I ordered the new exhaust, so that will be showing up next Friday, I want to say, so keep a lookout for that video as well. And till then, stay safe, fucking rubber side down. Peace out.